Okay, this is the TIMEMASTER GURUTZPE gap bed engine lathe. It's a model Super M300/4000, serial number 7053. It's 24-inch swing, 34 in the gap by 160 in centers. It's got a track, 2-axis DRO. There's your serial number and model. A Cushman 4-jaw chuck, 24-inch 4-jaw chuck. You got a four-post roll, roll type steady rest, roller type steady rest, three-point, a Laura's tool post, taper attachment, tailstock. There's your bed. The waves are nice and clean. Angel's gonna run it for you. Okay, you can hear the spindle. He's feeding it right now. Cross slide. I'm going to show you on the DRO. He's feeding it longitudinal carriage travel. Again, showing it to you on the DRO, digital readout. Again, the bed is really nice. He's doing threading. That's the half nut. Rapid traverse. Rapid traverse of the cross slide. Brake, reverse. We're going to do a couple more speeds for you. That's a lower speed. Even a lower speed. A different speed. Again, this machine has from 16 to 1250 RPM. It has inch metric threading. It's got rapid traverse. It has a tailstock. Angel, want to spin the tailstock just to show that the tailstock flow moves? Thank you very much. Some Morse taper in the tailstock. That's good. And again, your bedways are very clean. I guess one more speed and we got it. Maybe one high speed and we'll... Okay. So, a bunch of different speeds. You saw it feed, you saw it rapid, you saw it thread, you saw the digital readout work, you've seen the accessories. And I think that we are good. Thank you very much for watching the video.